Guys, so I just came back home after watching Suryavanshi, and this movie, I just like, this is like the most random review that I'm just putting out. This movie is Paisa Vasool. That's I went into this movie, knowing that this is a Rohit Shetty film. So I mean, I cannot expect like a very deep, detailed storyline, but I can expect entertainment. And he has been so firm that he wanted to release this movie in the theaters, and he said this movie is made for the theaters. And I kid you not, he was right. He was right. The wait was worth it. This is the kind of mass masala Bollywood film that I enjoy, which is well, a little bit unrealistic, but it still has a nice, simplistic, nice, real rooted storyline at heart, and some incredible stunts that I have come to expect from a Rohit Shetty film, and really good acting. And yeah, all of that. Like, overall, I thoroughly enjoyed this movie. I mean, the theaters were not that packed because a lot of people couldn't do advance booking, because still last night I kept, checking Book My Show for advance bookings, but I couldn't see it. But this morning, of course, there was some issue and some talks between like the between Rohit Shetty's team and the theater owners, I think. So that got resolved like late at night. So in the mornings, of course, Book My Show opened all of its bookings. But I'm so happy. I'm so happy that in Diwali season we got a movie like this, and this movie is really made for the theaters. It's made for the theaters because, okay, let's just, wow, yeah, the festivities are still going on. Festivities are still going on. So, okay, I know usually I make notes and stuff for my review, but I just really wanted to give my reaction immediately after watching the film. So talking about first the BGM. Oh my god, it's like whistle worthy. The BGM is whistle worthy. It's amazing. You are like, Akshay Kumar's entry, Ranveer Singh's entry, Ajay Devgan's entry. My god, just awesome. Stunts are amazing. Cars are flying as usual. I was waiting, okay, I was thinking, when is the first car going to fly? Because this is a Rohit Shetty film. And yes, it happens soon enough. It happens soon enough. So yes, BGM was great. The songs, I mean, I think the only Rohit Shetty film where I actually enjoyed the songs were Chennai Express, and that's it. Chennai Express. That's it. That's the only movie where I actually enjoyed listening to the songs. So the songs, except the first song that Arijit Singh has sung, that's nice. Otherwise, really, I really did not care about the music here, but the BGM was great. Another thing that I loved about this film was the dialogues. I mean, they are a little over the top, but I think going by the drama factor, the punchline, I really enjoyed like the way Akshay Kumar said his dialogues. The dialogues given to him were fantastic. I loved overall, look and feel of the film. It's stylish. It's larger than life. It's action packed. It's everything. It's like when I say Paisa Vasool, mass masala, commercial entertainment, I like it. The emotional drama scenes, I feel it was a little bit, overdone. There, they could have made it a little bit subtle, but that's the only gripe I have with the emotional scenes. When it comes to storyline, if you don't, oh my god, I'm sorry about the noise in the background. So when it comes to storyline, if you don't plan to watch the film also, you know the storyline already, because every goddamn thing, everything was given out in the trailer. I just don't know why they cut the trailer like this, because it was everything was given in the trailer. Literally, the entire storyline is exactly what you see in the trailer. There is nothing like a surprise element or nothing new. There is no surprise element whatsoever. The trailer is the storyline. So you already know what the storyline is. Yo, happy Diwali. But nonetheless, even though you know the full story, you will still enjoy it. It was enjoyable for me. Because I went in with that thought that this is a Rohit Shetty film, so I don't have to put too much brains. And I'm really sorry once again. I can't help all the background noise. So this hand is aching now. So yeah, so that was another thing, that the storyline was completely given out. So you already know it. It's a very linear, straightforward storyline. But I think the way it has been presented by Rohit Shetty, I like that. I like that because he kept me hooked throughout the film. He kept me entertained. He made me laugh. The comedy is not that wow, but it's still okay. It's still nice. It's manageable. It's manageable. It's not cringe. At least what I appreciated was the comedy was not cringe. That's another thing. Then coming to the acting, I think Akshay Kumar was fantastic. This is Akshay Kumar's, staple that we have seen, the action hero. He's the Khiladi Kumar. So we know that he's good at this stuff, and he has, just seeing him this fit, and just being in his element, that he has given his complete efforts in the acting, the way he's doing the stunts, everything was just fabulous to watch. The cinematography has been done well. Ajay Devgan and this Ranveer Singh, they were also really nice in their cameos. Katrina Kaif is just like literally, not important at all. And she has probably two major scenes, like important scenes, but she really did not act well. Honestly, Katrina's acting was bad. I'm just gonna say it was bad. She looked really good in the songs. Tip Tip Barsa Pani reprised version, so she looked really, really gorgeous in that. No denying that she's a gorgeous woman. But acting wise, giving value to the film, that's just zero. She's literally a throwaway character. Like, you have to keep a love interest. That's why you are there. The final climax action is where you get the complete worth of your money. And I mean, I literally paid a bomb for this movie. Like, it was close to $1,000. So I was like, if this $1,000 goes to waste, I'm gonna be so disappointed. But the ending climax fight with Ajay Devgan, Ranveer Singh, and Akshay Kumar, it just makes up for everything. And that's it. That's what it is. It is a typical Rohit Shetty film, but it is much more larger than life. This reminded me of what I felt when I watched the first Singham. Because in this cop universe, the first original Singham, that's my favorite Rohit Shetty movie. But this probably is at par with that. I really want to give a shout out to Kumud Mishra. Him as Bilal, he's the villain over there. Him as Bilal, he was great. He was amazing. There was a lot of, that's why I think in terms of storyline, I like that it was kept simple. It had heart. Specifically, Kumud Mishra added a lot of depth to the villain's character, for me at least. For me, it's not like the typical bad guy, but he was a great casting choice, I feel, for a villain, because we are not really used to seeing Kumud Mishra in that role. So it was a really nice thing. It was really fresh to see him in a negative light. That's one thing. Cinematography, camera work, fantastic. The typical slow-mo shots are there. They are there. But yeah, you're gonna get your money's worth if you just want to watch a film to get entertained, with a decent simple storyline, nothing to put your brains into it, too much brains, but good dialogues, good BGM, a great camera work, good acting, except Katrina Kaif, except her. So yes, that was the quick review of Sooryavanshi, and that's it from me, guys. That's it. I just wanted to share my immediate thoughts after watching this film, because I felt really happy after the movie got over, because I went with a certain mind frame, and I was like, let's see if Rohit Shetty, why he was holding it back to not get it released in the OTT, and why he was so adamant on it getting released in the theaters. So I think it was worth it. It was worth it, for me at least. What did you guys think? If any of you have watched it today, please let me know what did you guys think. I'm really sorry if I'm missing out on anything, but I just wanted to give my like immediate thoughts on the movie. So yeah, that was it, guys. That was the video, and yeah, I will be signing off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.